Hey adventurers, guess what? It is time for another exciting adventure today. And today I'm going to be going out with Anika and Lawrence for a little hike out at Red Rock. Now I went out there a couple days ago, took on a trail, and it was so fun. There's just no way I could do everything I wanted to do out there. So guess what? It's time to go back. It's only about 20 miles from Henderson, which is where I'm currently staying, and so this should be a really easy little quick drive to meet up with Anika and get out there on the trails. We're back at Red Rock and Anika is picking up a pin because she's collecting. I'm picking up a postcard, and then we're going to figure out what trail we're going to take on today. And in the back you can see Lawrence is joining us today. So we're going to get this done and figure out our next path. So we're on our way outside to the outdoor exhibit area. The other day we did not stop out in here, so I have no idea what to expect. But I think there's our turtle habitat, which makes me so excited because when we were here last, I noticed that there were tortoise crossing signs and it made me so excited, but we didn't see any turtles. So we're gonna hope that we see them this time somewhere out here. Got our stuff. The wind is picking up. It's gonna be a little chilly, but we're going to the Calico Tanks today, which is going to have this nice spring at the bottom. It should be pretty cool, and yay!
See you on the flip side.
Yep. We made it to the trailhead. So this is the Calico Tanks. It's about 2 to 2.5 miles. And it has this really cool spring at the end. So we are all geared up. We have our layers, we have our water. Anika has some music for us. We're ready to go. So let's see what this trail is. Cross our fingers. It's so pretty here, and it's so much warmer than it was the other day. There's a trail that goes through those, and then there's this trail that we're on, and then there's one that goes that way toward Turtle Head Rock. So you have plenty to do at Red Rock. Guess what? Use my pass again today. Every time that we come in, we use the pass, we save money. It's awesome. So awesome. Is it down here, Anika?
It's cool enough to make your nose run.
Yep. Sniffles
coming along.
Yep. And if you can see, like right up here, there's sun. Right down here, not so much. So. Lawrence inspired us. He started up this mountain, and we weren't gonna go. We were gonna stay closer to the path, but it just looks so fun. We have to go. So we're gonna make our way up that way. we did Moab last time, and it was basically straight rock hiking. So that means that you're on this. We thought we weren't doing that today. We thought there was an actual trail, but guess what? What are we doing, Anika?
Hiking on freaking mountain rock.
Woo! And there's a lot of sand before that, so it makes them pretty slick. So we're gonna have great thighs, super great thighs. Lawrence is stuck. Anika just slid down the mountain almost. Good times.
Appropriate song.
No. See this goes all the way down. Thank you, Lawrence, for warning us. We could have just died. This reminds me of Moab now, officially. But there's cool stairs, so we're gonna go up them and get a drink of water. Mountain. It's so pretty. Chips, chocolate, and this view though. Look at that.
Driving around town, contemplating where I wanna lay you down.
Snack with a show. It's Anika. We're hiking extra close to some other groups now. Look at all these people. We're all going to the same place. The good news is, if anything happens, we have reinforcements. Yay! Some areas that have these steps, which are cool, Then there's areas where you have to scramble, and that's not cool. Like the pain right here, the breathing.
We tied again.
And Lawrence is like, whew.
He's gone again.
He's got so much stamina. I'm jealous. We said it before, we wanted to be like kids on the trail. Lawrence is like a big kid. He's got so much stamina.
You are now listening to the sound of perfection.
Deep in this bowl area, and there's water, and it's so pretty. We are at the base basically of this mountain though. It's crazy how far we've come and how far we are from where we started. People we just passed just gave me hope. So much hope. They said we're close. Yay! So now we just gotta get down a little bit farther and then go up right over here. Yay!
Is that way.
You can see it like
In the distance.
so far. Nope.
I'm on top of a mountain. There's a strip.
way easier to go down than it is to go up, but it is a little slick going down, just like it was coming up. So, no handrails. Gotta be extra careful. And it's awesome though. So beautiful up here. Lawrence is so fast, he's caught the group in front of us. And so he has to take timeouts just so that they can keep going, because otherwise we run them over. And there's like 20 of them. So poor Lawrence is having to wait. Otherwise he would probably be like sprinting through here because he is awesome at this hike. Me, I feel like my little thick legs take a little bit, but yeah. It's a little bit after 4, and as you can see, bright, super not bright. We're gonna lose the sun in about 20 minutes, so we made perfect timing on this one. Went just about 3 miles overall, 22 flights of stairs, and will say there were some strenuous areas. There's a lot of slippery sand, and that made for it a little bit more difficult of a hike today, but it was really fun and super pretty. And if you have the stamina of Lawrence, this is an easy hike. If you have the normal stamina of myself, it's a little bit more moderate to strenuous in places. Strenuous only though because you have to climb, and that can get a little difficult. The car!
We're back and we're out of here. Right in time, because as you can see, the sun is gonna set. And hiking in the dark is not fun.
It's kind of scary. Already did that. Check that. Anyway, this is Bertha. So we made it back to Bertha. We're about to head out and do another adventure on another day. So in the meantime, I'm gonna leave a couple links in the box below. You need to make sure that you follow both BunnyPlaysHere and the Busted Babes on Instagram. Check out my website. And if you aren't subscribing to the channel already, there's a little red button. You know what to do. Bye, y'all.